Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to learn one of the muqatta'at letters. This is not difficult, but people are reading it wrong. How they are reading it wrong? Let me confirm. They are reading it like alif, lam, mim, ra. What is the difference? Lam is joining with meme, but on meme we have to do gunna also. There is no sign on lam, but we have to do gunna on meme because meme has a shad. We know that when there is tashdid on memes and noon, then we do gunna. We will read it like when we are reading it lam and we are doing lam. Is the gunna sound. Alif lam mim ra. This is called qif. Qif mean stop here. So then we will do a stop here. Tilka ayatul kitab. Alif lam mim ra. تلك آيات الكتاب والذي أنزل إليك من ربك الحق ولكن أكثر الناس لا يؤمنون. I hope you understand that how to read this one of the muqatta'at letter. If you learn something new, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Till the next video, take care and Allah Hafiz.